In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Managing location fast is especially helpful if you want to use an app that requires it, like Google Maps. That's why I will show you 2 ways to manage it on your SONY. First is my favorite one because it's the fastest. You need to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the app menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. Quick tip, if you want to manage it even faster, you need to edit your shortcuts and put location over here, second row, last place if you are right-handed, or if you are left-handed, first place, also second row. To do it now, click on this pen at the bottom right corner of your menu, hold your shortcut and place it wherever you want to. Then go back. If you have a bit more time though, you can go into settings, scroll to tap on location section, and click on this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!